Hi students, let us start today's class with an easy question. Question is, name the animal group which can fly. Yes, we all know that birds are the only animals that can fly. We will be learning about birds and their habits in this fourth chapter. We know that there are different types of birds. Now just try to identify these birds. This is parrot. This is crow. This is pigeon. This is peacock. This is duck. This is hen. This is owl. And this is sparrow. What all things we can see common in them? Yes, all of them have eyes, beak, wings, tail, claws, and feathers. Now read the spelling of eye. E-Y-E-I. What's the spelling of beak? B-E-A-K. Beak. What's the spelling of wings? W-I-N-G-S. Wings. Now look and say the spelling of tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Now read the spelling of feathers. F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S. Feathers. And the spelling of claws is C-L-A-W-S. You have to learn all these spellings. Okay. These feathers are of three types. They are flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. These are the flight feathers. This is down feathers and these are the body feathers. The flight feathers are long and flat. They are found on the wings and the tail. They help the bird to fly. So what all things we have learned about flight feathers? Flight feathers are long and flat. They are found on the wings and the tail and they help the bird to fly. The other kinds of feathers are down feathers. These down feathers are soft and fluffy. They cover the bird's body and keep the body warm. So what all things we have learned about down feathers? Down feathers are soft and fluffy. They cover the bird's body and keep it warm. The third kind of feathers are body feathers. Body feathers forms a layer over the down feathers. They cover the body of the bird and give it shape. So the kind of feathers which gives a shape to the body of the birds are body feathers. So that's all for today. We will be learning more about birds in the next class. Till then, take care and thank you.